Hey everyone, this is Mr. Q from Rainbow Elementary. This is a tutorial video for both parents and students, helping students join a Google Classroom. And this is something that you can use on or before the first day of school. And you can also use it after the first day of school, anytime you need to get access or join a Google Classroom. This video can be used for elementary, middle school, and high school students. As long as they're using Google Classroom, this will be a great video to help you walk through those steps. So let's get started. So one way to join a Google Classroom is using a class code. So if you notice on step 4 where it says type a class code, well, that means you have to have a class code. If you're going to use this option, you want to make sure that your child's teacher has sent you a class code that you can type it in. So if this is the option you're going to use, you want to go with number 1. You want to log into your SCPS portal page. Then step 2, you're going to click on the Google Classroom icon. Once you've done that, on the top right hand corner in the Google Classroom, you want to click that plus symbol, which is to join a class. And then step 4, you're going to type the class code and click join. And once you've done that, you have joined that particular classroom. So the second way is using an email. And so if this is the option your child's teacher is going to use, you want to notice how in step 2, the invitation is being sent to the student email, not to the parent email. And so step 1 here, you want to log into the SCPS portal page. Then step 2, you want to click on the Office 365. That way you get access to your child's student email account. Then you'll look for the invitation sent to you or sent to the student from your child's teacher. And then once you do that, you want to click join. And once you click join, you are then added to that particular Google Classroom. So what I want to do now is actually demonstrate these 2 steps for you and just walk you through the process. So now I want to demonstrate for you how your child can join a Google Classroom using the class code as an option. So the first thing you want to do is come to the SCPS portal page, and on the top right hand corner you're going to click the portal, and once you do that you're going to log in, and when you log in it's going to take you to your child's main Clever portal page. Here you have a bunch of different tiles. We want to focus on the Google Classroom icon. So you click on the Google Classroom and it'll take you to your Google Classroom main page that has all the classrooms that have been set up for your child. And so you can see the tiles here. In this case there's only one, and I do have the option to decline or to join. But I didn't use this as an option because you may not know which one to decline or which one to join. So what I chose to use for this tutorial video is really just to click on this plus symbol, which is our 3rd step. So you click the plus symbol that said join class, and this is the one where you need a class code that's given to you by your child's teacher. And so in this case I just created a test account or a test classroom. So I have a class code that I'm punching in there, and now I click join. And it shows that I'm joining, and once you click that, it shows now that I'm part of this classroom. All right, and finally, I want to demonstrate for you how you can join a classroom if your child's teacher is sending an invitation to your child's email account. So there's 3 steps for this. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the top right hand corner where it says the portal and log into your child's portal page. Once you do that, it'll take you again to this main Clever portal page, and you want to look for the Office 365 icon. That's step 2. Once you click on that, it'll take you into your child's email account, and you can look for the invitation that was sent to your child by your child's teacher. And so you can see here's one. It says class invitation, and then right inside that email you want to click join. And so once you click join, it automatically just links you and joins you into that particular classroom. And that's it. I hope that helps you to join the different classrooms that are being set up by your child's classroom teacher.